I got it from Toys R Us. Got that? Toys R Us. So, this is Funtime Foxy, everybody. Sorry, I was just, I don't know. Okay, Mangle is a new character of the FNAF Plus series. Got her, I think that's a tooth from like Foxy. I think it's just this one, but it's pink instead of like orange. Yeah. So today we're gonna review her. Yeah, this is my first reviewing videos. This is a new series. It's called Review. Yeah, don't judge me. Okay. So she's got like this pink stuff right here. Another pink. Yes, pink right there. Yeah, I heard she's in the exact same bucket as these ones at Toys R Us. Yeah, I can find her. It's like I live in this house and stuff. Yeah. Hello. Stop. Yeah, sorry, that was just my cousin. Yeah, she got some pink cheeks right here, like yellow eye. But I wonder what happens if you do this. Yeah, that would be creepy. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that voice for her. The FNAF 4 series. Where is? No. Gabriel, stop holding back.
Hello, I'm Bunny.
Stop it.
I'm Foxy.
Stop.
I'm Freddy.
Stop it.
I'm Chica.
You don't have to do. Oh gosh.
And I'm Bonnie again.
He's the actor that played Chica.
Me?
Yeah, don't you remember?
Oh. Do you guys remember that video with Chica? That's me acting her.
Yeah, she played it. He started in the video called Foxy Cove. Yeah, he started back on that episode. But she'll still pop around. Not that usually. Might be playing some other characters soon in the future.
Yeah,
like Mr.
Me
Cupcake.
and him are gonna make a normal video. I'm gonna do Chica. I'm gonna do
Spoiler! Spoiler!
Yeah.
Let's get back to the review. Okay. So she have like these black things on her cheeks. I got her 2 weeks ago and it was in like a bucket.
She looks like a boy.
Yeah, guys. So if you just dig and dig,
she's gonna dig her nose out of her brain.
Okay, keep it. So
she's
guys,
gonna dig her head out of her nose.
Stop it! Sorry about that. Stop it!
Thank you.
Gabriel.
You him.
People already know what he looks like. I'm reviewing this one. He's also going to be the character that plays Funtime Foxy.
Me?
Yeah.
I love to kill people.
All right, party over.
That's Foxy.
You're just gross and weird.